In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal in Glide. By the end, you'll have a simple, shareable portal ready to collect and display client information in a clean, professional way. First, open your web browser and go to Glide. This is where we'll build the app entirely online, with no coding required. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. If you're new to Glide, create an account so your work is saved and easy to access later. After signing in, look for the New App button. This starts a fresh project and takes you into the Glide editor. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to begin. You can start from scratch, which gives you full control over your structure from the ground up, or you can use a client portal template. The template is a great head start if you want common pages and layouts already in place, while starting from scratch is ideal if you prefer to define everything yourself. Pick the option that best matches your comfort level, then click Create App to generate your project. Inside the editor, glance over to the left sidebar and click Data. Think of the Data section as the database behind your app. This is where your client records live. Name it Clients, so your table is clearly labeled and easy to find as your project grows. Consistent naming keeps things organized, especially when you add more tables later. Now add the core columns your portal needs. Create a name column to store each client's full name, an email column for a reliable contact method, and a company column to note where they work or which organization they represent. These three fields form a clean foundation for most portals. Keep your columns straightforward at this stage. You can always add more fields later, like notes or status, once you're comfortable. Aim for accurate, tidy entries. Clean data here makes your app look and function better immediately. When you're satisfied with your basic structure, head to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. Publishing gives you a shareable link so others can access your portal from any device. You can keep refining your data and content after publishing, but getting it live now helps you test quickly and see how everything feels on mobile and desktop. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.